She got you good.
What did you guys do? Sent you with the belt.
Egg. Don't stand here.
My booty can fit.
Whoa. All that hair.
Stop.
You made me trip.
She did seriously nothing. Oh yeah, Natalie, you want to trade beds with her?
Oh yeah, I want to bed with me. No, bed will be hard. No.
Look at Smokey over there. He seems very
I
upset that
peed
he's
in your
getting
bed,
brushed.
Natalie. So you want to sleep in mine? No. Even though that I know that you just want my bed.
Why would she want your bed? It's harder to get to and lower, which means it must be colder. No, he shaked.
It's gotta feel better, dude. I don't know why you get so upset. Look at all this nasty hair. You just shed everywhere.
Do you know how to blow a bubble?
Come here.
Yeah,
Come. No.
I do know.
Mm.
No way. Come here.
My tongue's blue.
Come.
My tongue's blue. That must be the most awkward position to be in.
My tongue's blue.
Come.
Wait, is my tongue really blue without the gum?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. That was sad. Look at that face. He just looks really betrayed.
Look at all this hair coming off your butt.
Smokey, come here.
No, I got him quick.
Okay.
Okay.
Just stop that. Stop that. No, my bubble gum.
Hey, do not hit him. Give me my bubble gum.
Drop the gun and
Here.
drop the gum and no one gets hurt.
Smokey, come. Come. Come here.
Oh, Smokey, just so you know, you're sitting on your pee.
Come here. Come.
Did you record that?
Yeah.
Why are you recording? I know you don't like it. But it's good for you.
When did any kids like what was good for them?
What? It was funny.
Go eat your vegetables. Okay then.
Go eat vegetables. You're not the boss, and she's not the boss of you. She's the boss of me.
Serenity. I'm gonna take you out to a big field and make you run around in circles 150 times. Do you think you can do that?
No.
Hmm.
I can.
Come here. Let me see your butt. Let me see. Come. Come here.
No.
Come here. Oh, shit. Oh, sure. Oh, sure. Oh, sure. No. No, all your head is in there. No! Said no.
Not the boss.
Are you still freaking recording me?
No.
Look.
No.
Yay, a beard!
Be like this.
No, make a fancy scar.
It's nice and soft for your face.
Smokey is really soft.
It's like baby, but
The baby's butt? You are seriously dying.
what is your problem? You're a child.
I'm hugging this child.
It's not a child.